What's up guys, Andre here of Yugatech, and Samsung Galaxy S22 rumors are starting to come out as we get closer to the launch tip for early February. It is likely that we'll see 3 versions of this phone, namely the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra. Like with previous Galaxy S models, you can expect the lineup to offer variations in specs and prices. If you're excited about these phones, let's see what early information is available so far. So based on rumors and leaks, the Galaxy S22 lineup could have a similar design to the Galaxy S21 series, with a metal camera block on the top left corner, a punch hole camera in the top center of the display, and a smaller display and battery. Moreover, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be a successor to the Galaxy Note. This means we could see an integrated S Pen. When it comes to display, the Galaxy S22 could sport a 6.01-inch screen, the Galaxy S22 Plus could have a 6.55-inch screen, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra on the other hand could get a 6.81-inch curved AMOLED display with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. Also, all 3 phones are presumed to have an all-glass body for the premium look and feel. For the internal hardware, it's either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200 chipset, depending on region, and possibly with the same RAM and storage capacity as the S21 range. That would mean up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage in the Ultra model, or 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage in the other models. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is reported to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2200 with AMD RDNA 2 GPU for its Europe model, while other markets will get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 895. Additionally, its battery will come with a 5000 mAh capacity with 45-watt fast charge. The Galaxy S22, on the other hand, will offer a 3800 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S22 Plus will use a 4600 mAh battery, as Ice Universe claims. It's also a safe bet that the S22 line will run Android 12 based on the latest version of One UI 4. For the cameras, sources say that the S22 and S22 Plus will feature a 50-megapixel main, while the S22 Ultra will have a quad camera setup consisting of a 108-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2 10-megapixel telephoto lenses with a 3x and 10x zoom with OIS. For selfies, it will sport a 40-megapixel front camera. For additional features, it will have wireless charging, NFC for contactless payments, 5G connectivity, and in-display fingerprint scanners. The usual stuff. So when it comes to pricing, the standard S22 could start at $899, the Galaxy S22 Plus could start at $1,099, and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra could start at $1,299. Of course, the prices could be different once it arrives in the Philippines. At this point, the new Galaxy S22 series sounds promising. The good news is, we won't have to wait long for it to be officially unveiled, as February is just around the corner. So that's it guys, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S22 rumors? Let us know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Andre, and see you guys in the next one.